Hello, friend. I thought to give you more update about myself and my portfolio. I am basically new to the stock market, and new means earlier I have done some investment, and I was doing full time job. But this is a very interesting area where you can learn slowly and do small investment, and as you get more confident you can increase your investment. So similar fashion I have also learned and basically started investment, and now I am confident to make profit in the share market. I will show you how you can also start basically investing in the stock market. See, this is the Excel sheet where I basically update everything about what I learn, and then I go for investment. I do the color coding, where to do investment and which market is going. So I do basically some technical analysis, and also I do some fundamental analysis, and based on that I select. I do two type of investment. One is basically positional trading, which is swing trading. So based on the fast moving swing, I basically do investment and get out once the stock is giving, let's say, 5 to 6% in 10 days or 20 days in a month time. And for long investment company which are in listed in Nifty 50. So I do long investment for that, maybe for 1 year or 2 years sort of. And I do basically swing trading or basically intraday trading as well, but that are mainly to FNO segment, and especially in NSE market. So that's what I try to give a small update through my shorts video in YouTube channel. Since I have recently started this YouTube channel, and it has not grown so far, so I would request you to subscribe my channel to get update on the same, and so that I can come to live also in the same after getting 50 subscription. And you can learn and ask many question through live, and I will educate you slowly. If you are new to stock market and you don't know anything, basically this is for you. People who know something in a stock market, but they do some loss or some mistake, sometimes they are unable to predict basically the stock market. This is for you. Those who is basically expert in the stock market, I mean, you can also join, and I will make a community where we can learn from each other, and basically become a strength for each other, and do certain kind of investment to grow further. You can see this screen. This is grow screen, and you can see the time and all. It is live market, 5th of April 2014, and 11:52. Uh, you can see some investment that I have done in Nalco, and recently Nalco has started basically giving in the upward trend, and I did some investment where you can see the stock has grown to 11.7%, and PNB also grown to 9% almost in few days. I have not done very high investment in that, because basically uh, just to avoid huge loss and huge benefit, because we need to learn from slowly in the Union Bank. Similarly, we have ETF, and it's not only I am making profit, I am making loss as well. So stock market is not predictable thing, but obviously if you will go with the probability theorem, and if you will work, uh, it will give you a profit obviously. Let me show you my total investment which I have done, and the losses where I am making. But overall losses, if you will see, it is not much, since I have not done huge investment in huge, I mean, in particular company, so I am not making huge loss anyways. So overall profit, you can see today's return and overall return. Uh, all these are the investment which I have done. So this is basically short term plus long term investment. So this is Grow channel, or basically a Demat account which I am using as a Grow. Also, you can see I have done few investment in Shunya. Uh, so I will show you here Shunya as well. This is beneficial for those which is who are basically conscious about your uh, lesser brokerage. So soon the name belonging to no brokerage. And here basically all those investment which I do in ETF, which is long term basis, and I do not do trading in ETF. So this is very safe and secure market in ETF. If you are more worried on that, so you can learn how to do investment in ETF from me later on as well. Since OTP is required, I will show you at the last. Let's go to Zerodha account. So this is my Dhan platform where I do some investment in REIT, InvIT, and which is also a very safe and regular. If you want regular dividend on quarterly basis, monthly basis, you can go for this. And this is also very safe trading sort of or investment you can do. And here you can also see my portfolio, which is in profit mode. Mostly, I am more excited to let you know about FNO segment. Basically, it's depend upon your risk appetite, how much risk you wanted to take, and those who wanted to take risk, they can go into FNO segment. But I would suggest if you are new, don't go FNO directly. This is position you can see all those 6% benefit through Tata Steel and uh, Gentech, Dixon, BSC, Zomato. I few days ago I had updated about the defense export market that India has done fantastic well, and that's what each company in the defense sector is growing well. And you will be surprised to see the percentage increase here for defense sector soon after declaration of the result after closing. I mean, March closer has already happened. So by any time by 15th of March or basically 15th of April or end of April, many companies going to declare their result, and this percentage increase you can see humongous for all those good fundamental company. Even in a space sector and defense sector, all company are doing well. So this is my Zerodha account, and through Zerodha I do FNO trading in this sector. I mean, basically, especially in Bank Nifty and the Nifty 50. Since these are basically very high liquidity market, so intraday trading I do, and you can see mostly if you are basically buying or selling or sorting, I generally do or go by sorting of things, because if you will, if market is not moving fast, if market is moving fast, you will obviously make money. If market is not moving fast and in the sideways, still you can make money. But if you will buy FNO, market has to move very fast in unidirection, and if you will move in both direction, you will make a loss. So with that principle, since this has probability, and I use this probability as I said in earlier, that you have to use this probability theorem to get the profit. You can see here in the basically Bank Nifty today, I have done this sorting, and 1500 I basically making profit as of now, with a sorting of 15 quantity. You can see minus 15. So I have bought, you can see here I have bought this stock at uh, so bought means I have sold basically this stock at 278 rupees Bank Nifty, and the current rate you can see 179. And the difference is the profit, which is 1500 or nearby. And for the Nifty, you can see I basically sold it at 79 rupees, and the current market is at 63. So difference in the premium you can see 800. So with the small risk, you can earn on daily basis slightly, and do not be more hunger, or basically if you get confident, you can increase this lot size and earn more. Now, why this? Basically, why I did Bank Nifty, because you can see in Bank Nifty the trend of this 15-minute chart is, and from today's on 5th, you can see this is an increasing trend. And also above the volume weighted average, if you will see, more people are basically taking the market up. So at this level, I decide, I mean, after looking at the strength in the market, I mean, there is a lot of concept which I will obviously educate you slower. The relative strength of the index is higher, and also volume weighted average is showing this market is going up. So I was confident that this will go up. So that's what I decided to short the put, rather buy call. Even you can buy the call, but as I said, I mean, buying call, or basically buying, need to be very sure that market is very fast moving, very fast, and very confident. But if you are not so confident, you can sort basically, and you can earn from there. So you can see the candle strength here. This is very good. That's why I decided to sort. And mostly all these predictions, so you can't uh, be right always, but with the probability theorem, I mean, you can predict. You can break down this 15-minute candle chart to 5 minutes, and you can say how this is been growing and how it is going upper and upper. So with every upper of candle, green candle give you profit, and red candle will give you loss. However, net, it has to be green. It has to close in green candle, looking at this trend. So it is very easy for making money uh, by just learning few price action theorem and Dow theorem. Also use certain indicator. So with this red candle and green candle, you can see fluctuation in my profit. Here it was 1500, now it got to 1300. So all this fluctuation will be happening. So, however, if you are in positive, you don't have to see. And when you have to exit market, I will educate you as well. However, if you will compare this chart with the Nifty chart, it is not grown so fast. So, if you are not comfortable, probably you can exit from the market with booking of the profit only approximately 700, or with the 1000 rupees in today's market. And on daily basis, you can keep it at this is lower side. You can see the RSI line. This is hourly RSI line, which is basically above 54. So I will quit if this RSI line go below 55. Basically, this is showing relative strength, and the other line is showing us daily RSI, monthly RSI, weekly RSI. So you can see the weekly strength is very high for Nifty 50. Monthly strength is even higher. Daily strength is also above 60, which is good, but hourly is not so good. So based on that, you can decide. However, the same thing if you will see in Bank Nifty, your hourly strength is quite higher. I mean, higher than the monthly. That's why you are making profit if we consider today's date. So all these are a small concept that you can learn from me. As I new to the YouTube channel, so I request you to subscribe so that any notification that will come, and soon I will start coming live in the market. So you initially, while you are not very much sure on the probability part, you can basically listen to me and do certain investment by opening your Demat account, and yeah, you can learn it from there, and you can also start investing. It is not a rocket science. It's very easy game. However, the psychology that need to be controlled, and you need to learn price action. So happy investing, and let's learn 1 minute every day. I am sure you will get confident and you will start investing. Thank you very much.